Welcome everyone to my talk about my PhD thesis. The reason I have started my presentation with sign language is to put the focus on inclusion and disability. For decades, students with disabilities have been educated in segregated settings, such as special schools and special classes. Over the last 20 years, there has been a movement of students with disabilities into regular and mainstream classes. Research and government reviews show that teachers state that they are ill prepared for this important role of inclusion. They state that their university training did not adequately prepare them to include effectively. This photograph highlights my PhD thesis. You can see the little boy here is craning his neck to be part of the group. You can see the teacher is oblivious about his need to belong. Currently, there are over 30,000 students in government schools who have disabilities. To address my topic, I conducted surveys and interviews with pre-service teachers and with practising teachers such as classroom teachers, principals and school counsellors. After 600 surveys and 15 in-depth interviews, I have identified what pre-service teachers and educators state should be in inclusive education units. They want a repertoire of skills and strategies which will equip them for inclusion, such as how to collaborate effectively with the specialist support vision teacher, for example, how to include a student with a physical disability into a PE lesson, for example. From my findings, I have prepared inclusive education units which show that pre-service teachers are equipped and well prepared for inclusion. Further, from my studies, I will design packages and modules for early childhood teachers, primary and secondary teachers, and university lecturers. If we have well-prepared teachers, we will have inclusive classes, and therefore we will have inclusive and a just society. I thank you for your interest in my PhD